You may know Edward Bawden for his monumental lino cuts and the witty designs he made for companies like Fortnum and Mason. But there is so much more to this celebrated but strangely elusive British artist and designer. In the most wide-ranging exhibition since his death, over 150 works will explore his sensitive wartime portraits, his fascination for place and for gardens, and his delight in the world off-duty. This exhibition celebrates Bawden's many achievements in every discipline he mastered. Until September the 9th, you have a unique opportunity to rediscover Edward Bawden and immerse yourself in his world.